I would like to show you in this tryon haul. By the way, I'm Anna Vanila, if you didn't know who I am. And welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. And this is something I received as a gift a couple of years ago. It's actually silk, and it's something like a night dress with lace detail here and with trim in here. As you can see, it's like a butterfly. It's like a butterfly here. It's sexy, as you can see. Sexy. It's long. The color is beautiful. It feels beautiful on your body. And it's very long. It's very long, and I'm not sure if you find this sexy, but it's something retro-ish to me. It sounds retro-ish.
Work it out. Come on.
It's long, but I think it's sexy. Even long dresses could be sexy. Because you can do some movement with them. Leave the comments below this video and tell me if you like it. I've been told that this garment is actually from Los Angeles, so I hope it's something you like. I hope Los Angeles doesn't do anything bad, but just something that's elegant and beautiful and new and good. I can move a lot in it. It's funky. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I love you lots. I'm Anna Vanila. See you soon in the next video.